Racing just is started. Hurry up, count me in, break quickly to start gentle. Whisper rushing about the outside. Rivers of Gold is running by the rail. June 3 comes next. Then followed by Diamond Lane, Promise, Headline, Cherokee Chase. Her Highness is Smiling Jean between horses. Fighter in the Wind. Show and Tell secondless. While Wishful Splendor is racing in less. Racing down the backstretch, 3 runners, Party Road for the lead, running by the Rivers of Gold. And on the outside now is June 3, Gentle Whisper in between horses. Then 3 lengths back and forth comes Count Me In. Diamond Lane comes next, then followed by number 14, and this one is Fighter in the Wind. And at the far turn with Rivers of Gold is still in control by our length. And here comes Diamond Lane, now moving apart the outside. And says it's my turn to take the lead. We have Diamond Lane with a breakaway run by about 2 lengths over Rivers of Gold in second. As they swing for home, Diamond Lane by about 2 lengths. Rivers of Gold, Count Me In is racing in third. Then comes June 3, Fighter in the Wind. Last 75 meters, it's all Diamond Lane. And finally, Diamond Lane second. Count Me In, Rivers of Gold, Fighter in the Wind. June 3, Promise for your Super 6.
Alright. Top choice, number 6, Diamond Lane, ang siyang ulang tawid sa ating finish line, ridden by Don L. Camanero. Masisigundo yung numero 10 na si Count Me In, 5 Rivers of Gold, Fighter in the Wind, June 3, at para sa inyong Super 6, si Promise.